We're here with Dave Mallory at Glock. He's going to kind of review the Glock line with us, including the brand new to the line 19X.
All right. This is the 19X. It's X is for a crossover.
It feels nice.
It originated from the MHS trial, and it's our solicitation for the trials.
I mean, really.
A variety of changes.
Okay. You know,
It's a full-length, full-size, lower receiver, Glock 17 length, with a 19 length slide. Okay. Has a nose job. Gen 5 attributes are like the ambi slide stop, no figure grooves, different magwell, and for the trial specifications has a removable lanyard loop. Okay, it's an NPVD finish on the slide. It's a coyote color, not to be mistaken for dark earth. It's a different color. Okay. It's a little bit lighter than the traditional dark earth FDE. Okay. Right?
I like it.
Yeah. So, are you guys familiar with the Gen 5 changes?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Unless you want to go over them real quick, we got everybody here.
there's quite a few changes. I mean, I'll kind of summarize it. The big changes with the Gen 5 are the simplicity of the design, okay? Starting with the removal on the slide lock here. It's no longer a leaf spring, it's a captured coil spring. Excuse me, it's a coil spring that's right up front, so it minimizes the chance of that leaf spring breaking. On the ambidextrous slide stop, it's no longer the wire spring, it's a captured coil spring. It's a one-piece design, almost like a horseshoe shape. When it slides off, you pull the locking block out, the slide lock comes right out, and the slide comes right out. Coil trigger spring is gone. It came out when we introduced the G42. It changed the internals, and it's a compressible fireman's trigger spring. It compresses. It's almost like, it looks like a little shock absorber.
Okay.
It's one of those super simple designs.
Yeah.
Updated internals on the firing pin spring. The tip on the firing pin is different on the Gen 5. It's no longer a spear point. It looks like an upside down teardrop. And that kind of summarizes the barrel. It's called the Glock marksmanship barrel. The target crown. You can see the target crown here. It's almost like a rifle. It has a recessed target crown. A little bit tighter chamber tolerances. And it's a marking barrel. So it's not the traditional Glock barrel hexagonal profile. It is, but it has a marking edges to it. So that's kind of summarizes, figure grooves and things like that. Would you like to shoot it?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And it has no finger grooves along with the extra slide stop lever. So it's a totally new category.
There you go.
For us, and I'm really excited about it. So you're going to run a couple rounds through this thing?
you gotta take a ride.
So it comes with 3 magazines. Standard capacity 17 and 2+2 for a total of 19 rounds. 19 plus 1.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's
Any
great.
questions so far? Or?
No, everything's great. I love the look. I love the design.
Feel the trigger when you shoot, and feel the reset, and it's. I think you'll like it.
Okay.
Better not to wait till you're ready to take one.
Wow.
Just shoot one. Just go ahead.
Wow. Was that smooth?
Yeah, it has a different
Wow.
personality than the standard 19 or 17. And when you shoot it,
I love it.
yeah.
Wow, is that nice? Well done. Well done.